Okay, so today's question is from Jay Cooper on Instagram, and they're asking, I've been making money consistently for the past few months, and I was wondering, how do you go about registering for taxes with the HMRC? So thanks for watching Starting Up, the channel all about sharing tips for selling online. Videos every Monday and Thursday, and daily videos like this every day. So registering for taxes with HMRC. When do you need to do it? How do you do it? Let's jump into it. So you've started making money outside of the typical 9 to 5. So your employer is no longer the person in charge of paying your taxes for you. You need to do it yourself. So when do you need to do it? Like, how do you do it? I believe that you should be doing this as soon as you start making some side income. I read in the past that you only need to really do it if you start making more than £400 a year. But I think to be safe, really you should do this from day one. Because in the UK anyway, you don't pay any taxes on income until over, there's like a threshold, I think it's 10,500 or £11,000. So it's only when you made your first 10.5, £11,000, you have to start paying tax. But I think it's good to be registered with HMRC and tracking your income from day one. So there's two routes you can take if you start making money online, whether it's through selling t-shirts on Amazon or products on eBay or setting up a Shopify store. If you're making side income or income outside of a typically tracked taxable income, so outside of a normal 9 to 5 or a salary job, you need to start thinking about doing your own taxes. And the way you do this is you basically, at the end of the year, you need to do a tax return. So the financial year in the UK runs from April to April. So you track your earnings between April and April. And then you have to do a tax return based on the money you earn within that 12-month period. And like I said, it's only if you earn over 11,000, 10.5, £11,000, I'm not sure the exact number, it's only the money you've earned over that threshold that you pay taxes for. So if you have no job and you're earning money yourself, but you only earn £9,000 for the year, you won't have to pay any tax, but you still need to send a return into HMRC so they know how much money you've made, and basically they know that you're not meant to be paying any tax. So yeah, there's two ways you can do your own business. I spoke about this in the past. You can be a sole trader or you can have a limited company. But whichever route you take, whether you go for sole trader or limited company, you need to be tracking your income and paying your tax return at the end of the year. What I do personally with my Amazon merch income, my YouTube income, my Shopify income in the past, I'm registered as a sole trader in the UK. I track all my money. I have a business bank account with all my money going into my business bank account. It makes it easy at the end of the year to see exactly everything I've earned, everything I spent, and to send my tax return onto HMRC. And you register as a sole trader super easily and quickly by going to the HMRC website, register as a sole trader, a business person, and then you'll be able to get access to all the forms and everything you need so that when the end of the tax year comes, the financial year, you have a tax return form available to you and you can send that off to HMRC and start paying your taxes. So to cut a long story short, start tracking your additional income, your online income straight away, register it with HMRC, do your tax returns every year, but it's only when you earn over that threshold that you're actually going to be paying tax anyway. It starts up at like 20%, and then when you earn over, I think, £40,000 for the year, you start to pay a bit more tax anyway. But get going as soon as possible. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my daily question and answer series. If you've got a question for me that you're answering, feel free to message me in the comment box below on startingup.com or on my Instagram. Send me a DM and I will try and answer your questions there. This channel is all about sharing tips of selling online, so make sure to subscribe for more videos like this and also like and share this video. See ya.